All right, super quick video here. Check out my screen. As you can see, I've found several ads on Facebook and maybe Instagram. No, just Facebook. Nope, just Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger, it looks like. They are Harbor Freight Beta Toolbox, including 273 tools. Something about a Harbor Freight Beta Toolbox that is being given away, or it's only $39, or there's a factory direct sale, Christmas sale, clearance sale, warehouse sale, whatever. It's a scam. And so these pages with these ads, like this one here, are pretending that they have some sort of official association with Harbor Freight. It's all a scam. These are not real. These will take you to websites that will then ask for your money, and then they will hit you with likely other charges that they did not specify, and that's the scam. They're going to charge you more money than you were expected to be charged. You might actually receive something in the mail, believe it or not. It might be something cheap, a knockoff, that sort of a thing or whatever, but it's not going to be what you want, and you are going to lose money. This is a scam. Harbor Freight Toolbox, Beta Toolbox, 273 tools. There are lots of iterations of these ads going all the way back through February, and Harbor Freight's been used in lots of ads. January, it looks like, too. Harbor Freight's been used in lots of different scam ads for a long time. Scam emails, whatever it may be. Don't trust these sorts of offers for these amazing giant tool sets for a very low price. It's just too good to be true. It's never going to happen. It's always going to cost what you think it's going to cost. Maybe you'll find 10% off or something like that, but you're not going to find whatever this would be, 90% off. I mean, that's just way too good to be true. To get the giant Harbor Beta Toolbox, 273 tools for $33.99 or $39.99 just doesn't make sense. Let's see if there are any other videos here. Only $39 is what this guy says, this AI voice. And it shows someone opening the, I mean, look how many screwdrivers or whatever those are. Amazing tool set for sure. And then these websites are not going to load probably because they've been scrubbed so that there's no evidence, but the evidence is still here in the ads. These are likely coming from China, by the way. And if we zoom in, this is kind of what these look like. It says Lowe's right there. You see right there on the label. So it says Harbor Freight, but it's got a Lowe's picture, which is kind of hilarious. Milwaukee right there. And then they've got all sorts of other brands here as well. And Harbor Freight Beta, of course, too. I guess that's their brand. But avoid this thing. Go to your credit card company or whatever payment method you paid with, if you did fall for it, and ask what they can do to help ensure that you don't get hit with more charges. To ask them what you need to do, tell them you were scammed, whatever it may be. Don't believe these sorts of things. Like this video. If you enjoy the fact, or you admire the fact that I'm sitting here on a Sunday whenever I could be outside enjoying the day, trying to help you out, someone I've never met, hit the like button, comment with something about the scam. A comment means a lot. And then subscribe to me. Subscribing is the one thing, if I had to choose from those three, that's the one thing I really want you to do, because that puts a lot of value toward what I do. And a lot of the subscribers I have are from older stuff, not having to do with scams. It might look like I have a lot of subscribers, but then look at the number of views on my most recent videos, and it's really low because people just don't watch. So I'm trying to help people who search for these topics. So hit the like button, comment, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell, and avoid these scams. Tell me your story. And if you don't know what to comment with, just tell me your favorite breakfast food. That would really help me out, believe it or not, because that means the more comments I receive, the higher my video will show up in Google and YouTube search results. Thank you so much for watching.